so beautiful. Hold on. We're looking at one particular segment here, and it's in German and in Hebrew. Thank God Almighty, right? Look. He who does not teach is worthy of death. The duty of a Yehudi is rooted in God's teaching. It is that what gives our life true value. He who does not occupy himself with it annihilates himself spiritually. All the problems of our modern day and age, and even the falling away from positive, righteous, magnificent, and legitimate, and peace and order and safety and harmony and healthy and happiness bringing values of Yehuda-ishness or Judaism, the Holy Torah, the 7 Noahide laws, the 10 Commandments, right? And the attitude of irrelevance toward the holy faith of our fathers, they are a result of neglecting Torah study. Listen, this section right here, even though